Hey lovies, as you can see it is a very cold and snowy day here in New York. We had a little blizzard earlier but it has stopped now, and as you can see the neighbors are cleaning their cars at this time. However, I am inside and I am about to make some mischief. So welcome back to Shamin's kitchen, where you can find the best in West Indian food. Today I will be doing some fried Banga Mary. Here I have a pack of frozen Banga Mary, and for those of you who do not know what Banga Mary is, it is a family to the herring that we have in Trinidad, but it does not have that amount of bones, or the picker as we call it. So now I will thaw this out in some water and lime. About 10 minutes after, I am about to clean this. So I will show you how I do my cleaning. Now I remove the middle bone because I just like eating it without that middle bone. You do not have to remove that middle bone if you choose not to. Just like that, remove it and give it a good scrape, because there are some small scales that are very difficult to come out there, and you do not want biting into any scale when you are enjoying this. Okay, so just like that, again, pull out the middle bone, give that a good scrape, remove the fins, and so just like that, easy. So I will continue cleaning the rest, and I will come back right back to you. So here I have finished cleaning all, and now I will give it a good wash. Look at that, nice and clean in the inside. I will wash it once, 2 times, and put it in my rice strainer there, because for those of you who follow me, you know I always like putting all my meat and fish so that all the excess water will come out. And it's time to season this up now. So it is nice and drained out and goes into that other bowl. Now green seasoning, chive, celery, parsley, green onion, shadow benny. I had some garlic in there, and yes guys, ketchup, black pepper. I have here some paprika and cayenne pepper, 1 pack of sazon, some curry powder. Yes, I do add a little bit of curry powder. Now don't bash me until you try it. It really gives it a nice flavor in there. And of course, salt to taste. Now give this a good mix. Make sure all that seasoning is well mixed in each piece of that fish. Mix, mix, mix. Yes guys, as you can see, it is nicely mixed in there. And now put this aside and allow it to marinate for a couple of hours, and now it's time to fry. Now I'm using some plain flour. You can use corn flour if you want. You can even dip it in some egg and then the flour, and you can even season up that flour as well. But I did not season my flour because that fish there is well seasoned and it marinated for a long time. So just coat the fish very lightly. Dust out all the excess flour from there, because you do not want a very thick coating of flour. Now on medium heat, you're going to add the fish in there one at a time, just like that. And yes, medium heat, do not put it on high heat because it will burn. You do not want any burnt fish. And do not crowd the pot as well, because it would not have sufficient space to turn. Now give it a good turn until you think it is nicely cooked in there. I cannot say the time because remember, some fish will be bigger than some, so you just have to eyeball everything and monitor the heat. Give it a turn. Look at that guys, until it is nice and golden brown. Make sure it is turned once, twice to get that nice color. And this is the finished product here. Look at that, how beautiful it came out. Now you can enjoy this with dal and rice, bread. You can simply have it with some cutters, but whatever you are enjoying this with guys, please let me know. How do you enjoy it? Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Stay warm and have a blessed day. Bye.